Hello everybody, we're at 2136 Northwest 16th here in Oklahoma City, right off of Pennsylvania Avenue. We are looking at our Natalie floor plan. It is a farmhouse style floor plan, really pretty front porch. And then behind the home, we have a 1.5 car garage. We have here a lot of progress that has been done since I've been in here. Looks like we have some lighting. Awesome. Okay, so when you first walk in, you have the living room and kitchen. Isn't this so beautiful? We have bullnose doors, quartz countertops, a nice gray. I'm gonna turn the light on over here. Look at that. Obviously still some work that needs to be done. I know they just put these cabinets in rough, so we have to perfect them, get them all straightened out. And it looks like we have some two-toned cabinets. That's really cool with the waterfall countertop. I love that. Okay, so to the right of the kitchen is the powder bath. And then we have the laundry room. I love the color of this home. Oh, I forgot. There's a study up front. And then look at this closet. Woo! Really good amount of space in here. And a shelf right there. We have LVT throughout the home. I love these doors. Let me turn around here for the study. So we did just have the home painted. So once we are done, we'll take the tape off of the door here. So we have about a month left of work on this home, if not less. So let's go upstairs. And now we're on the second floor. LVT all throughout. Windows, really good amount of natural light. And then we're on 16th right here. Master bed. Quartz countertops. Schluter shower. And then water closet. I believe there will be glass here. Not sure what exactly it'll look like. Here's some. Oh, there we go. There's a fan in that light, actually. And then we have master closet. And then the third bedroom. And then bathroom upstairs. So this home has 2.5 baths. For the size of home, it is a really good size. Thanks for touring with me. This home has 3 bedrooms, a study, 2.5 bathrooms, detached garage, and is available for $305,000. Let us know if you want to take a look.